Jelson Homes is a family house building company started in 1889, so I'm the fourth generation. I'm currently chairman, and we build between 300 and 400 houses a year. This site we're on today is a housing site in Nuneaton. It's the start of a second phase, having done 150 houses so far, and we have another 191 to do.
Meynell Plant is a company of Jelson Holdings, so we primarily provide Jelson with all their plant requirements, and backhoes are found on every Jelson site, and we still currently have 16 on fleet. That's amongst another 100 or so JCB products, but they still have a real strong place within our fleet.
So we've been running JCB backhoes since about 1965 when we bought our first machine. We're running diesel backhoes on this current site and have been ever since we started, using them for all sorts of operations, from digging foundations, moving muck, installing drains around sites, and generally using them as a good all-round site tool. And the zero carbon hydrogen machine is performing in the same way as the previous normally fueled JCBs.
My first impressions of the JCB hydrogen backhoe is it's up to the job. It's not slowed us down at all. It's performed really well.
I've been driving backhoes professionally since 1978. I think I started. I've driven virtually every model that JCB produced. Well, driving the hydrogen machine is not really any different to driving the diesel machine, which is what you need. You don't really want to be changing your skill sets just to embrace new technology. Performance-wise, there's no real difference other than the hydrogen machine seems to produce low-down torque better than the diesel machines do. Refuelling, it takes about 30 minutes at the minute, which if you can start in with your standard lunch break is no real issue. It needs refilling twice a day if you're on heavy work. Light work, you should just get away with once a day.
So the hydrogen refuelling process is obviously something we're very interested in. It's a very quick process, and that will obviously enable us to have less downtime of the machine, and enable us to keep working.
So for my first initial impression of the hydrogen, absolutely brilliant. I just couldn't fault it compared to the diesel engine. If anything, I was quite impressed with the torque of it. The power for pushing was quite astonishing, really. The performance of the hydro engine compared to the diesel engine, from a 55 kilowatt engine compared to an 81 kilowatt in a Pro, completely different. I was quite astonished with it. It's just completely a 3CX.
Throughout the building regs, it's all changing year on year to decarbonise and use more energy efficient products. Using hydrogen machine will be part of that moving forwards and reducing our whole carbon output.
Meynell are interested in the hydrogen backhoe from an emissions point of view, road to net zero and our responsibility towards that, but also when it comes to the machines working on site. Electric machines aren't necessarily a viable option in the middle of a field where there's no electrical connection. Hydrogen will be perfectly suited to this situation.
From our company's point of view, from Jelson's point of view, we believe having a hydrogen-powered machine on site to evaluate it, to see how it performs, is very important as a step towards net zero, so that we can continue the journey towards a net zero target.
The advantages of hydrogen should be that it's quick and easy to refuel, shouldn't be that much different to the current machines, and it's a straight swap, not waiting for a charge of an electric product that could be 3 to 4 hours, and it's no different in power output.
Anyone with any doubts shouldn't worry. We'd be confident to use the hydrogen in the future. It's quick, it's easy and it's simple to use.